Hi everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to turn on dark mode in Outlook. There are two types of themes on the Outlook app, the first is light mode and the second is dark mode. If you prefer to use dark mode, you can enable it through the display and appearance settings. Here are the simple steps to change to dark mode in the Outlook app. Firstly, open the Outlook app on your phone. On the app's home page, tap the Outlook icon in the upper left corner. Tap the settings icon here. Tap the display and appearance option. Here you can set the appearance of your Outlook app. By default, the Outlook display will use your phone's system display. If you want to change to dark mode, tap dark. And yeah, now your Outlook app will use dark mode. That's the tutorial on how to turn on dark mode in Outlook. I hope this video will help you. See you in the next video. Thank you.